Hi, Harshat. I had some feedback for you, ma. The thing is, mm, first, can I rename you? Second thing is, I want you to click on the submit button in the Google Classroom. Make sense?
Auntie, I clicked on the submit button and now it says resubmit.
Oh, no problem. You clicked on, yeah, you clicked on the submit button, right?
Now it says resubmit.
Yeah, once you click on the submit button, it will ask you to resubmit. No, you don't have to resubmit it. You see, only when you click on the submit button, I'll be able to see your work. You got it, huh?
Yeah, but now it says resubmit.
Let's see. Let's see what I see. I'll tell you what I see. Hold on.
Okay.
Because I graded it. In the mean, see, we would have done it together, I think. That's okay. Don't worry about it. I graded it, right? Resubmit it. Resubmit it once more.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah.
Auntie.
Resubmit. Let me see what happened.
34, resubmit. Done. I turned it on.
You did it. Oh, okay, let me see. Hold
Thank
on.
you.
No, wait. Let's see what is going on. Okay. I don't know. Wait, I'm not able to see it properly. Yours. Everybody, yeah, turned in. Yes. I see it now.
Okay.
You see the difference, huh? Meaning you see the difference, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Only
it says resubmit, so I thought
that is because the timing was conflict. You get it? Huh? The moment I posted the comment and I immediately graded it.
oh,
Got it, sent it to you stating a 0 because I did not see your work. Now that you submitted it, I changed it.
okay. Thank
Hi,
you.
hi, someone.
Yeah.
You are
Miss,
good. Harshat, you're good. Yeah.
இது
Yes,
புதுசு
Harshat.
கிளிக் பண்ண முடியாது இதுல. I
Um,
don't have the
so
book.
I did the homework, but the thing is, I don't.
Wait. I have to mute them. Sorry. Tell me.
It's okay. So I did the homework on my book, but like, how do I like check the answers and how do I submit?
Great
Do I
question.
just see the
Someone,
pictures because I just got my book?
oh, no problem. But I'm glad you did it. You did the homework. So that
Yeah.
is good to know. So, the way you do, there is an app called Cam Scanner. Please
Uh-huh.
write it down. You
Oh
can
yeah,
take
I use Cam
pictures.
Scanner, so.
Yeah, and you can turn it into a PDF. That PDF you can upload it to Google Classroom.
Oh, okay, but how do we check our answers? And
There is an answer key that is also given in Google Classroom.
okay.
You would want to get access to it first. Click on the link automatically. It will send a request for you because if I open it to anybody who accesses the link, right, that doesn't make any sense. I want only this group of kids to get access to the answer keys.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it? So you'll have to get access to the answer keys and then start doing work.
Miss
Oh,
Priya.
okay.
Make sense?
That
Yeah.
makes sense.
Yes,
Also,
Rish.
do you want me to do like past week's homework too? Because I started on past week's too.
Would be nice.
Okay.
Okay, but no pressure.
Okay. Thank you.
Samanvi, very good to see you. I was just getting homework from an unidentified person till date, and I'm so glad to see you today. Because I've never seen you, right? And it was interesting to see somebody whom I've never seen submitting homework for a few weeks. But good to see you today.
Miss
Sresha,
Priya,
tell me.
I don't have the book for homework.
Okay, is your mom getting it?
You never sent the link.
I never sent the link. It is there in, oh, because your mother registered you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
For
Let
the
me see.
homework, the answer. Oh, sorry.
Wait, Amma. Sreshta, you have not gotten it. You're saying, Ma, I'll solve one by one, Ma. Sreshta, can you tell me the first few letters of the email that you need that to be sent to?
SIN.
Okay, give me a minute. Yes. Okay, you'll have to check the ISBN number, Ma. Is that okay? And does it end with NAG?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sorry about it. I just sent it. Okay, Amit, so many things, it does get missed. I'm very sorry about it. Okay. Anything else, guys? Are we
For the answer key, is it the same answer key you like? It says and algebra one modules answers. Is it
okay?
that?
I just want you to get access to module 3 and 4. Okay, that is a question, right? Let me post the meaning. Exactly the links that you
Oh,
need.
I
Is
didn't notice because I've been looking on a phone, so it only shows me the top link. So I didn't notice that there were multiple links for the answer key, but I got it now.
you got it? So
Yeah,
you
I
don't
didn't
need it.
realize I thought it was one document with different like with all of the answers because I didn't see the other links. Thank you though.
Okay, I posted in the Google Classroom as well so that I'm not causing inconvenience to you. Does that make sense?
It was my fault, Auntie. Thank you.
No problem at all. Okay, just a meaning. I just want you to get the answer key at the end and not make it confusing for you guys.
Yeah, I'll put in a request now if like later.
Okay, so fourth one I did, fourth chapter. I posted the link in the stream as well for you. Fourth and the third chapter, so that you can request for it. Okay, Vikyat, I saw yours. Are you checking, ma? Checking your answers, Vikyat?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Did you have any questions on the homework? You and Jay, did you have any questions on the homework?
No, I didn't have any questions. And
Okay,
in the questions I uploaded, I solved them before the class.
good. Jay, how about you? Are you able to follow,
I'll
or is
get
it
back
match?
to you. I'll get back to you after if I have any questions. I don't know if I have any questions right now. Or like I don't know the question numbers.
Oh, you do? Do you?
I think I have a couple, but I don't know I forgot the question numbers. I didn't write them down.
Okay, ma, but you have not submitted, right? So I will not know. So if you can
Oh.
submit, we can go over it together as well. At the end of it, I want you to understand well, what are you doing in school?
We're doing the same thing. We're doing identifying functions.
So you're able to get help from here and use it in class?
Yeah, it's pretty helpful.
Okay, no, you remember the one class that you were very anxious about in summer. I don't want that to happen. So I'm asking you whether it is okay now.
Yeah.
Miss
Okay,
Priya,
good. Yeah, go ahead.
my mom ordered the book, but it's coming on the 17th.
You know what, Shrestha? I can talk to your mom that 17th. Okay, so 2 weeks you'll not be able to do.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing what you can do, Shrestha, I have the copy with the answer key, right, ma?
Yeah.
You can download it, and I know I know you are very dedicated. So you can look through that and then you work it out on your own. Makes
Okay.
sense?
Yeah.
You don't have to wait for the book for those 1 unit. You got it?
Okay.
You can just work it out. That see, my copy does have the answer key, but that does not matter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can we move on, guys? Okay. On arithmetic sequences, right? We were there in arithmetic sequences. We did not explore the formula in detail, right? So let's see. First, let me ask you some questions that we did last week, and then we'll go ahead. So you have done till page number 153, correct? So let me see what is on page number
Miss
1.
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I wasn't here last week, so I'm not sure what we're doing today. Is it okay if you tell me what we're doing?
Arithmetic sequences, ma.
Oh, okay.
Okay, literally last week, what did we do? Constructing and graphing arithmetic sequences. That's what we did.
Okay. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. How about this? If I give you this, would you be able to tell me what is f of 3? Okay, let's see, ma. I mean, anyway, review, right? So at that time, I'll know where you are, and if need be, we'll see what to do. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me put the question on the board and then we'll see. Okay, I'm glad everybody's on the video. My video is mandatory. Go ahead, guys. Can you do the problem on the board? F of 1 is 3. Lakshmita and Arush, I really want you to on the video. f of 1 is equal to 3. F of n is equal to f of n minus 1 the whole square. So what is f of 3? You can answer in chat. So that tells me how much you've understood from last week.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead, guys.
I don't understand this.
Sure. Good, Sreshta, that's correct. Sreshta. Okay. You don't understand this.
Is mine
So,
right?
I'll check them. I have not checked everybody's. Okay. Okay, I'll help you guys. Okay, let's see this one. I think so, Harshad. How about this? F of 1 means what? F of 1 is 3. That means the first term of the sequence, the input value is 1, the output value is f of x. So if you form a table, input value is 1, the output value is 3. And then when you go to f of n means what? The nth term will be the previous term square. See, f of n minus 1 is the previous term. So let me go to the second term. If I put n is equal to 2, just plug it in. That is the second term, right? Now, how do you get it? Put n is equal to 1 here. 2 minus 1 is 1. F of 1, the whole square. What is f of 1? You have it, right? The first term, 3. So the second term is 9. Now I go to f of 2. What happens? F of 2. Plug in f of 2. 2 minus, okay. F of 2 was f of 1 square. That's what we did, which was 3 square, which was 9. Now I go to f of 3. That's what I asked, right? That will be equal to f of 2. N is this, n minus 1 is this, the whole square. Guys, again and again, what I want to tell you is, do not think this as f times 1. That is not the case. I have seen so many kids do that. That's not the case. We should not be doing it. Instead, it is f of 1. That means y value. You see, for a coordinate point, it has x value. X is the input, y is the output, right? In any graph, x is the input, y is the output, right? So if x is your input, y can be written as f of x. That means function that is dependent on your input x. That's what it means. Now we are going for 3. 3 is f of 2 is what? You have it 9. 9 square, which is 81. Any questions, guys?
No.
So did you see that the nth term of a sequence is dependent on its previous term? So if I want to find out the 98th term, I need the 97th term. If I want to find out the 5th term of the sequence, I need the 4th term of the sequence. Without finding the 4th term, I cannot predict my 5th term. Without knowing the 5th term, I cannot get my 6th term. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, guys? Rushita, one request, ma.
Mhm.
Are you there with
Yeah.
me? Uh, yeah. So last recording.
How?
Does it sound how? You know, there is a welcome email I sent to your mom, right? It has details on how to retrieve the recording. In YouTube, the channel is at pi_kid.
What is it?
Okay, I really want everyone to know too, but please do not depend every time on the recording, okay?
Okay.
That is the YouTube channel. Okay, when you go there, search for the date and time of your class. You will get the recording.
Yeah.
Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah, Miss Priya.
But the only hassle is you have to search by date and time.
Okay.
Okay, and please watch the recording. Try to do part of the homework and then come to class.
Okay. Yeah.
So that your time and my time will not get wasted.
As I didn't get my book yet, that's why, so I haven't been able to do my homework.
Yet another thing, Rushita, for Sreshta, I told, right, the best way if you don't have the book is whatever I share is my copy, right, with answers, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, right? It'll note down the answers in line, but doesn't matter. You have the questions, right? You can work it out on a plain page, plain rough notebook, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you do that for me?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll do that.
Okay, let's see. I'll give you the next problem, guys. How about this? How about this? Let me see, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, before I move on, right? Ashwath came up with this. There were questions in the homework that asked you to do use the graphing calculator. Did it ask you to use the graphing calculator, guys?
Yeah.
So what did you guys do?
I didn't.
You didn't. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So did I explain to you what graphing calculator you need to buy?
Yes,
I
Moss?
think you did last year.
Last year I would not have said. Only for Algebra 1 kids I say. 7th grade, I don't even encourage you using.
I think you mentioned that next year, if we're taking Algebra 1, we would have to buy the
Okay.
calculator.
So can you do this?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I'm taking Algebra 1, but I'm in 7th grade. Does that mean I can't use the graphing calculator, or I can?
Oh, no. You can. If you're taking Algebra 1, you can use the graphing calculator. You got it? Ritisha, did I clarify your question?
Yes.
Okay. I really want you guys to know which graphing calculator to buy. I strongly suggest definitely each of you buy your graphing calculator. Meaning you should have it and you should be able to work out, meaning the operations in a graphing calculator, finding how to type a function, how to type the table, all that requires a lot of practice. School does supply a graphing calculator to each of you, your parents, and decide, okay? But I am not for waiting for the school. The problem is if you wait for school to give you the graphing calculator, you get access to the calculator only for that 1 hour of class. But you need the graphing calculator to be fast and quick. You need to be able to meddle with the graphing calculator and nicely get used to it to perform whatever operation you want to do on that graphing calculator. That comes only with practice, and unless you have your own calculator, you'll be wasting such amount of time understanding how the calculator works, how to type in a function, all that will come. Okay, so before that, it's important that you buy one and get used to it. This is an example. I don't know, guys, meaning I don't know the version. Give a minute. This one. I don't know which. Okay, for now I'll send this detail. So this is the graphing calculator that is accepted for exams like SAT, ACT. You can take the same calculator and go. Okay, so this one is the one. I can show it. You're seeing my board, right? It can come out in different colors, but the model you can note down, okay? You are permitted to use this calculator in SAT or ACT. You don't need, meaning if you purchase a bit higher version, then they may not permit you to take this for SAT, ACT exam. However, I strongly recommend that each of you have one for yourself and you should be able to meddle with it, try to identify how to type in functions, how to type in tables, all that stuff you need to learn in this calculator. We will do bit by bit in class. Okay, but that comes only with practice, meaning just like that, doing it in class doesn't help. You'll have to go middle with it, understand how you type it in. Yes, that's the calculator, Harshit. Okay, can I move on, please? Okay, that's something, please talk to your parents. I definitely want you to buy, but again, please don't pressurize your parents at this point on this. It's you and your parents, you should decide together. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead. How about this? 1 second, 158 I gave you. I don't know what you guys did. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? Okay, let me ask you this. I have a sequence. Okay, n, f of n. 1, 2, 3. What is f3? Please in chat, guys. What is f of 3? You should answer in class. What is f of 3? Yes, go ahead. Saman be correct, Ashwat correct, Akshita correct, Rishita correct. Okay, everybody understands this. Good. Okay, I gave you a very easy problem though. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to move on, guys. Nidhi correct, ma. Let's move on a little bit. Okay. Now, how about this? F of n is equal to 2n square plus 4. F of n is equal to 2n square plus 4. What is f of 2? Now you know f of n denotes the nth term of the sequence. F of 2 denotes the second term of the sequence. N denotes the input value. N can be plugged in instead of x. F of n can be plugged in instead of y. Sometimes the same thing can be written as a suffix n. Nth term of an arithmetic sequence will be equal to 2n square plus 4. Instead of f of n, they can also use a suffix n. Both are one and the same. Rushita correct, Nidhi correct, Johan. Oh, good job, Johan. You both are correct. Rushita correct. Rushita correct. Nidhi, is that right? I don't think it's right. Can you check, Nidhi?
Okay.
Something feels wrong. Can you check? Dhruv, I want you to answer this one. Yes, Akshita, that's correct. Arush, correct. Saman, be correct. Harshad, correct. Ashruta. Hey, I don't know why Ashruta did not get it. Where did we make a mistake, ma? How did you get a 20? Because 2, 3 of you got a 20. Why? Can you explain, ma? Shrestha also got a 20. How?
I know.
No, can you explain so that we'll understand that we should not do like that?
Miss Priya, so basically I just did, I know this is wrong, but I put 2 in n, not like fn, but like 2n. So I did 2 times 2, and then I squared it, and then I added 4.
Okay, good. I'm glad you brought it up. That was incorrect. Okay, why it is incorrect, I'll tell you. 2n square is very different from 2n the whole square.
Yeah, I just realized.
Yeah,
after
so
I did it.
2n square means you need to substitute n is equal to 2, only that n is squared. You see, 2 times 2 squared. This is what is asked. You cannot do this 2 times 2 the whole square. That's not asked. There's no parenthesis in here. The parenthesis is in there. Everything inside the parenthesis should be squared. Here
So-
they've clearly given n square is multiplied by 2. So first you need to square n and then multiplied by 2. Go
So
ahead.
it's 12?
Yep.
Okay.
12 is answer. J, I'm not getting answers, right, J?
I was about to send it, and then you said that.
Oh, I said that. Okay. I got it. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? I don't know. Let's see. One of the specific term is given. Okay. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this, guys? This is an interesting one. If you can't decipher, I will rewrite it for you. I'll rewrite the problem for you. F of 1 is equal to 99. F of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus 4. That means what? Nth term is equal to previous term plus 4. That means what? F of 1 is given. You can find f of 2, right? Because the second term of the sequence is dependent on the first term plus 4. So similarly, you can find out the third term of the sequence, fourth term of the sequence, fifth term of the sequence, sixth term of the sequence. So you can keep on, you can go on finding that, right? Now, they have given that there is one term that's 119. What term is 119? What is the position of this term? You are going to identify what is the position of this term. This is a part of the sequence. Can you identify which term is it? I'll wait, guys. Harshit, that doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right, I feel. Do you want to check again, Harshit?
Auntie, I mistaked. Sorry.
Oh, you mistyped. Avyukt, correct, ma. Ashwath, I'm waiting for your answer. Ashwath, nice to see your answers, Ashwath. Vikyat, I'm waiting for your answers. Lakshmita, again, the same thing as Harshit. There was a problem. Prisha, correct. Harshit, correct.
I'm almost done. Just give me a second.
Take your time, no hurry. Lakshmita, correct, ma. See, 1 means the first term. 2 means the second term of the sequence. Ashwath, good job, Ashwath. Seriously feel happy about your answers. Ashruta, good job. And now I'm not getting answers from Ritisha, Rushita. Can I get it? Arush, you're not as well sending. Please don't make me bug you like that.
I'm still working on it, Miss Priya.
Miss Priya, I don't know.
Yeah,
You
I
don't.
don't understand.
I'm confused with what you mean the position of the term.
The position of the term means, is it the 10th term? Is it the 20th term? That is the position of the term.
Okay.
Makes sense? You need to keep on doing. What is f of 2? See, this tells you, this connects the previous term and the next term of the sequence, whether it is 2 and 3 or 3 and 4 or 4 and 5. It
Is mine
connects. I'll check, Mavikyat. So connect.
Miss Priya, I don't understand.
Sreshta, no, Sreshta, I'm asking 119. Saman, be very good job. Akshita, not really, Akshita. Do you want to show us how you did? I'll help you guys. See, when you're given the first term of the sequence and you're given this, what is that you can find? Can you find out the second term of the sequence? Can you find out the second term of the sequence? Jay, you tell me.
Yeah, with the first term, you can find out the second term.
Exactly. So I can do that, right? So plug it in. F of 1 plus 4. You already know what is the first term of the sequence. 99 plus 4. So you know now f of 2 is equal to 103. Now what can you find? We have to come till 119. It's a growing sequence. See? So we have to come till 119. Can I go to f of 3? What is f of 3? How can I find it? Substitute n is equal to 3, which is f of 2 plus 4. What it is? 103 plus 4, which is
107.
107. F of 4 is what? F of 3 plus 4. So the previous term plus 4 is our sequence rule. It's the input of, it's the function rule. It's a table rule, right? So that'll be 107 plus 4. We are not yet there, 111. Again, f of 5 is equal to f of 4 plus 4. What is it? 111 plus 4. Not yet there, guys. F of 6 is f of 5 plus 4. 115 plus 4 is 90. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So it is the sixth term of the sequence. Jay, did you get that?
Yeah.
How about you, Nidhi?
Yeah.
Got it? Okay, great. Let me ask you this. How about this? I'm going to mute myself, guys.
Did you put in a new problem?
No, not yet, Ma. I want a little bit of a difficult problem. Hold on. Okay, now I'm going to give you this. Okay, let's understand this, guys. I'm going to show you there are two different, 1 second, guys. There's a lot of noise. Give me 1 minute.
Auntie, I think you're muted.
Thank you, Harsha. I'm going to let you work with two different rules of any sequence, any sequence. Let's say the sequence, let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first term is 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. First of all, how do you say it's an arithmetic sequence? We call an arithmetic sequence when there is a common difference between the term. Meaning, successive term minus the previous term. It's always constant. See, 15 minus 10 is the same as 10 minus 5. 20 minus 15 is the same as 25 minus 20, right? So there's always a common difference of 5. Does that make sense? So when there is a common difference, we call it as an arithmetic sequence. Now, what are these rules? What are these formulas? If you're able to connect two consecutive terms of the sequence, if you're able to connect two consecutive terms, consecutive means next terms of the sequence, if you're able to connect using a formula, then it is the recursive rule. How do we connect? You tell me how to connect the third term and the second term. Who can offer a suggestion? Who among you can offer? Yes, Harshad, go ahead.
Subtract them both together.
Yeah, tell me, meaning how can I get the third term of the sequence from the second term of the sequence?
Well, so first you look at the
Let me do
first.
this. Let me do this. I want to connect nth term with n minus 1th term. Can you help me connect? See, nth term is, say, this one. Okay, n minus 1 is this. What rule will you write? What rule will you write? How to connect them? Yeah, go ahead. Anybody? Yeah, Rishita, you want to tell? Go ahead, ma.
Wait, did you mean the other girl or me?
Oh, she is Rushita. You are Ritisha.
Yeah.
Make sense? Go ahead.
F of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus 5.
Good job. See, the next term, any term, next term of the sequence will be equal to the previous term. This is the previous term plus 5. So basically, I'm connecting two consecutive terms of the sequence, right? The formula that connects two consecutive terms of the sequence is the recursive rule of that sequence. Recursive means back to back, meaning again and again occurring, right? So suppose if you want to find out the 95th term, if you want to find out that, what would you need? You should know what? You should know the
94th
make it
term.
94th term. Thank you, Nidhi. Yes, you would want to find out the 94th term. It's so hard, right, guys? If I just ask you to find out the 100th term, would you go ahead and write first term, second term, third term, fourth term? You will never find it. Time will run out, right? So recursive rule is used only when they give you the 94th term and ask you for the 95th term. Now, what is this, guys? What is this number 5 called? What is this number 5 called? I told you about it.
Common
What is
difference.
common difference? So can I write the formula as f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus d? This is an arithmetic sequence. Or I can write it out as an will be equal to an minus 1. For an arithmetic sequence, the nth term is equal to n minus 1th term plus the common difference. Sometimes the common difference can be negative. Sometimes the common difference can be negative. Can I give you an example? 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. You see here, it's a decreasing sequence. Common difference being negative tells you that it is a decreasing sequence. It's not a growing sequence. How do we say common difference? That's what here, please don't get confused. In spite of me telling, there'll be so many people who get confused. The succeeding term minus 20 minus 25 is your common difference, not 25 minus 20. Please don't. 20 minus 25, the succeeding term, subtract the previous term. Does that make sense? Here as well, 10 minus 5. It's not 5 minus 10. It's not 25 minus 20. Please don't go straight forward. You have to come back. That gives you the common difference. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Now, before going to explicit rule is a little hard. Let's see. Can you do this one for me? Can you write the recursive rule? Write the recursive rule for this. Wait, guys, wait, please. I'll give you the sequence. No, I'm not ready. Give me a minute, guys. I'm framing my own sequence. Do you think you can frame the sequence for this? Do you think you can frame the sequence for this? It's a difficult sequence. Who can come up with the recursive formula? Recursive. You want to go ahead? Guys, I can help you, but think about connecting with the previous term. I have only discussed recursive rule with you. So connect with the previous term, square it and see. Can you come out with a formula? You can shout out. This is a difficult question, right? You can shout out. You can definitely shout out if you know. Okay, let me give you an easier one. Okay, you're going to write out the recursive rule. Okay. You're going to write out the recursive rule for this one. Okay. Wait, let me give you. This is very easy on you guys. Hold on. How about this? Is this an easy sequence, guys? Can you write out the recursive formula? Let's not go here. Can you write out the recursive formula for that one? What is the common difference, Bharat? What is the common difference in that sequence? Guys, you can shout out. It's a nice. What is it? I wanted what is the common difference in that sequence? Ashwath, good job.
Is it this like the sequence you like erased?
Yeah, ma, sequence is written on the board.
There was like no difference between the sequence.
Yeah, what is the common difference? Yes, Avyup, good job. Prisha, good job. Harshad, good job.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
Sorry, my computer died.
No problem at all. I saw you. I admitted you. Please go ahead and write out the recursive formula of the sequence given on the board. Yes, Johan. Jay, very nice. Yes. Can you come up with the recursive rule, Jay? The common difference is correct. Can you come up with the formula connecting a suffix n with a suffix n minus 1 or connect f of n with f of n minus 1? Akshita, good job. Samanvi. Can you check once more? Samanvi, you are making a very minor mistake. Was it a typo? I'm thinking now. You want to correct it, ma, Samanvi? Did you see what was the problem, Samanvi?
Miss Priya, is mine correct?
Nidhi, yes, Nidhi, 100% it is correct. Sreshta. Think about it, ma. Is it multiplied by 2? How is it connected to the previous term? Think about it. Is there a common difference? Is there a common difference between the terms? Sreshta, you tell me. Arush, you tell me. Is there a common difference? I didn't get answers from everybody. Otherwise, I'll bug you. If you're not answering in 2 weeks, I'll get back to your parents too.
Everything is +3.
Yeah, you got it. Then connect the previous term with the next term. Lakshmita, perfectly correct. But the way you have represented f of n is the nth term. How will you talk about the previous term, f of n minus 1? You should not miss the f. This is how you say. Samanvi, did you understand? It was not you corrected it. Good job. Ashrita, good job. Now, guys, when you write out the recursive formula, always it's nice to say the restriction. Say it started with 1, right? So we can say n, see, we don't know what is the zeroth term. So say n is greater than or equal to 2. From the second term only, you can use this formula. You can use this formula only from the second term. You cannot use this formula for the first term because you don't know the zeroth term. Make sense? So, makes sense. So always write the restriction. Writing the restriction is a good way. Can I move on, guys? Nidhi, did you understand now?
Yeah.
How about you, Sreshta? You also understood? Lakshmita, did you see where you were missing with the symbols?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on? Okay, now guys, we are going to come to the very important part, explicit rule. Okay, I really want you guys to understand this very well. Let's consider the sequence. Okay, Explicit rule is going to connect the first term with nth term. Explicit rule is going to connect the first term with the nth term. That means what? I'll be able to write out my 97th term if I know the first term of the sequence. Is it not exciting? Recursive sequence is when you need the 96th term. That is so hard. You have to sit and count till 1, 2, 3, 4, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Like that, you need to go till 96. But this one, explicit rule, can really connect the first term with the 97th term, can connect the first term with the 200th term. Anything that connects the first term and the nth term is an explicit rule. How are we going to come up with it? Let's see. 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15. This is the most easiest sequence that I know of, right? So what is the common difference here, Rishita?
+5.
Yeah, +5, right? So 15 minus 10. Always the common difference is always the successive term minus the previous term. Don't do it the other way. It's incorrect. Okay. Now you know the common difference here. Think about this, guys. Suppose my nth term is the fourth term. Fourth term, I don't know. Okay, here I've given you, but I don't know. Let's say I don't know this one. Okay, I'm trying to find this one. Okay. See, I'm given the first term. Okay, I'm given the first term is equal to 5. I know the common difference. What is the common difference? You all told me that it is 5 as well, right? Okay, now when I start from my first term, how many common differences should I keep on adding to get to my fourth term?
3.
How many? So if I want to find out my fourth term, what should I do? For my first term, to my first term, I will add 3 common difference. Correct, guys? Now, if I want to find out my fifth term, I have my first term. So what I'll add? How many common differences should I add?
4.
There is a pattern. Do you see, guys?
Okay.
So let's come up with a pattern now. I said the nth term is equal to the first term plus how many common differences? Who can tell me? How many common differences I need to add to the first term to get my nth term?
4.
4, then I'll only get the fifth term.
N,
Oh, okay.
N number of differences.
3.
If I add only 3 common differences, I'll be able to get only my fourth term.
Wait, we need the 97th term?
If I want the 97th term, what will you do? For first term, I'll add how many common differences? Yeah, go ahead. Anybody, please answer, please.
96.
96.
96. Yeah, then I'm writing in terms of n, right? Tell me in terms of n, how many common differences I need to add?
N minus 1.
Exactly, n minus 1 common differences you'll add. You got it? N minus 1 times d. Did you all get it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let's try one more. I really want you to understand it well, okay? Let's go ahead with this one. I'm going to erase this off. Really, if you understand, it will go a long way, okay? How did you get that is what you need. Don't memorize the formulas, guys. It's not worth memorizing formulas in mathematics. Let's see this one. How about this? How about this? 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Now I want to find out the 60th term of the sequence. So what is the explicit rule that you will write? What is my explicit rule? So the 60th term will be equal to what? One of you guide me, guys. Let go wrong. That's where the class is for, right?
A N
Two.
is equal to F, or I mean,
Okay.
A parentheses N minus 1 plus common difference.
That is true. That is true. That comes later. The first term plus you need to add n minus 1 common difference. However, you're being given those details. What is the common difference here?
2.
So plug that in here, 2, right? If I am given 60th term means n is 60. Can I find this?
59.
59. What is the first term of the sequence? Everything you can substitute. What is the first term of the sequence?
2.
2.
2. So 60th term will be equal to 2 plus 59 times 2. See how easy it is? 60th term
Priya?
is Yama,
I couldn't understand, what does C represent?
common difference.
Oh, C. Oh, common difference. Okay.
You got it? Okay, please ask if you have things like this. So the 60th term will be 120. How easy it is, see? It is connecting the first term with any term. Shall we try one more?
Oh, so A1 is the first term?
Yeah, see, that's what I'm
Oh.
saying. You can either use f of n, f of 1, like that you can use.
Oh.
Or you can use this notation where this is an arithmetic sequence, 60th term, it says.
Oh, okay. Thank
You
you.
got it? There are two different ways. See, if your teacher gives this, you cannot say, Auntie, I have not learnt it. No, both are one and the same. This is like they have written it as a function. This one, they have written it as a sequence, arithmetic sequence, 60th term, arithmetic sequence, first term. F of n can indicate the nth term of any sequence, not only an arithmetic sequence. F of 1 can indicate the first term of the sequence. Now, can I move on? So now guys, how will I write the formula for this? When I want to write the formula for this one, right? So I will write f of n will be equal to f of 1. You know the value, 2 plus f of n minus 1 times what is the common difference? 2. 2 times f of n. This is the formula. The formula connects the nth term. One second, guys. One second. I think I made a mistake here. So the first term plus n minus 1 common difference you're going to add, right? So you will put, see, because the nth term, I cannot substitute anything there. The formula tells about the nth term. So n minus 1, but you know the common difference is 2. So the nth term is given by 2 plus 2 times n minus 1. F of n and n should be there. Okay, so you can plug in for any value. You can plug in for the 70th term. You can substitute n is equal to 70. 2 plus 2 times 70 minus 1 is 69. Makes sense, guys? Formula means it connects nth term with the first term. Make sense? But if you're asked for the values, you have to answer in values, numbers. How about this? Let's see this one. I'm going to do one more problem like this, okay? N, f of n. Now, it's going to be a fractional sequence. Let's see this one. First term is 20. Second term is 10. Third term is 0. Fourth term minus 10. What is the 11th term of the sequence? What is the formula for it? First of all, write the explicit rule. First, I am going to do it. I'm not going to ask you to do it. Write the explicit rule, number 1. Number 2, what is the 11th? Use your explicit rule formula that you come up with to find out the 11th term. How do you find the explicit term? Explicit rule, how do you find out? First of all, I need to know my first term. Okay, this is an arithmetic sequence. So in the arithmetic sequence, what will I do? The nth term will be A1, the first term, plus I'll have to add the common differences, correct? How many? If I'm finding the nth term, I will have to add n minus 1 common difference. This is my formula, correct? This is my formula. However, for this sequence particularly, you know the value of this and this. You'll have to plug that in. How do you plug that in? Nth term will be 20 plus, what is the common difference? Who can tell me what is the common difference here?
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Good job. So you will write it out as negative 10 times n minus 1. You will have to rewrite it properly. Just like that, you cannot answer 20 minus 10 times n minus 1. Make sense, guys? It is a decreasing sequence. So this is your formula. Explicit formula for this sequence should contain only the nth term and n as variables. The rest of it should be numbers. The general formula, the general explicit rule is this. But if you're given a sequence, you'll have to plug in the values of this and this. Now from this, can I find out my 11th term? Substitute n is equal to 11. 11 equal to 20 minus 10 times 10. Correct? N minus 1 is 10. Nidhi, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
That's it. Guys, did you get it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Now can I give you one example and see whether you're able to do, guys? Let's see. I want to do one word problem too, guys. I want to do one word problem too, but I don't know whether you will be able to do. Doesn't matter, okay? Let's see. So we discussed just the explicit rule. Okay, how about this? 6, 16, 26, 36. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46. Please write out the explicit rule for this sequence. Also, tell me what is the, maybe tell me what is the 10th term in the sequence. Come on, guys. Take your time. If you're getting stuck, you should be the first person to tell me that you didn't get it. I'm always watching the chat, or you can raise your hand using the raise hand button. You can, Prisha, good job, Prisha. On the previous one, Avyuk, you have answered as well. Yes, Duru, that is the general formula. I am not asking about the general formula. I want the explicit rule for this particular sequence. So you need to substitute values. Try, guys. Jay, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Am I right?
Ritisha, if you add, oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 6 plus 9, 10 minus 1 is 9. Oh wow, good job, Ritisha.
Miss Priya, I figured out the second question, but I don't know how to find the formula for the first one.
I see. Okay. 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 Lakshmita, yours is correct, ma. But can you write out this rule correctly? Rule always connects. See, f of n minus 1 is the previous term. What you have written is a recursive formula. What you have written is a recursive formula. I want the explicit formula that connects the first term with any nth term. Varad, I'll help you. Akshita, the second answer is correct, but I want you to write the rule.
I don't know how to find the rule.
Okay, Akshita, yeah, the Ashrita, your answer is wrong. Ma. Sreshta, correct.
Miss
But the
Priya, the
rule,
first part or the second part or both?
no, both doesn't seem correct.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Prisha, perfectly correct, ma.
Miss Priya, am I
Hey,
right?
Prisha, that is not n. That is
Priya?
that is n minus 1, ma. You have to only add n minus 1 common difference to the first term. You cannot add n common difference.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Okay, thank you.
Saman, be very good.
That. So I would write n minus 1 and then the rest. So that's all.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Dhruv, your second answer is correct. Okay, but the formula, I need to see whether it is correct. I have to check. Dhruv, I think you're right though. Jay, that seems incorrect. I'm going to help you. Nidhi, good job, Ma. That is correct. The 10th term is correct. But can you write out the rule? Hey, Johan, perfectly correct, both.
Miss Priya, can you check mine?
Yes, Ma. Give me a minute. Avyukt, that is correct, Avyukt. Can you simplify and tell me Ashrita, that is correct now? Vikyat,
Oh,
correct.
I already solved it before.
Okay. Oh, okay. See, guys, Varad, I want you to listen. Jay, let's listen. Let me know if you didn't understand even after that. Okay. Okay. How about this? How about this?
My answer
See,
correct?
no, Harshat, you have to wait. I've started explaining, please. Now, the first term is 6, right? My explicit rule, what does it say? I'm going to find out the nth term, correct? Right?
Well, when is the book going to come?
You have
When
to,
is the book?
guys,
Tell
guys,
me.
guys, guys,
Why are you getting the notebook?
guys,
I don't really need the notebook. Idiot.
okay, I'm going. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Okay, now the nth term of a sequence you're finding. You have been given this. So what does the rule say? First term plus you're going to add n minus 1 common difference. D is the common difference always. In this case, again, you're going to find out the nth term. There is no change in that. And you can have n in your formula, but these all should be substituted properly. What is the first term? 6 plus n minus 1 times. What is the common difference? 10. Right? Now, how to simplify this? You all know how to do equations, right? 6 plus 10n minus 10. So that gets you what? 10n minus 4. F of n is equal to, this is your formula, explicit rule for the sequence. Now they're asking f of 10. If I want f of 10, I will write it out as substitute n is equal to 10. So it will be 10 times 10 minus 4, which is 96. Any questions, guys? Rushita, did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Samanvi, you got it? Samanvi, Akshita, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, can I give you one more? Meaning I was not happy, guys. Let's see. How about this? Can you get me the explicit formula for the sequence? I would like to know, just write out the explicit formula for the sequence. What is the explicit formula for the sequence?
Is the explicit formula the A and then like, or is it the F n equals?
Both, Seema, let me write down for you. Connecting the first term and the nth term is your explicit rule.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, wait. I didn't finish. Here, f of n, this is the same as this.
Oh,
You got it? Both are one and the same. Only thing, the notation is different. This is the explicit rule for any sequence. Okay. A recursive rule connects both. Both means an is connected with an minus 1. Only addition is you are going to add the common difference. That's all. You got it?
So do you want both or do you want like one of them?
No, I just need this.
Okay. The A, right? Not the FN. Or do we?
Both are one and the same. You see, the notation is different. If you give it in this format, I'm happy. If you give it in this format, I'm happy. But you should know to write both.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Miss Priya, do you want the answer or just the formula?
The formula, and then see, I want you to write the explicit rule first. And then using that rule, you find out what is the 7th term of the sequence. Using the rule, you have to find, not just the 7th term. I can add 25, 25, 25 and then say the 7th term. No, that's not what I want. Find out the explicit rule, use that to get this.
Got it.
Okay.
Am I right?
I can do it on the board, guys, if you want to. Yes, summon V, that is correct, but you can simplify that, right? Summon V by multiplying 25 with n and 25 with 1. Sreshta, that is correct. Can you please simplify? See, you guys are giving me this as the answer. That is correct. See, an, the first term is 75 plus n minus 1. You know the common this is not the answer. You can simplify that, right? 75 plus 25n minus 25. These two can be combined. 50 plus 25n. That is the answer. Now plug in n is equal to 7. Jay, did you get it?
Yeah.
So this is your answer, right? 50 plus 25n. In that, plug in n is equal to 7. You get the seventh term. 25 times 7, which is 175 plus 50, 225. Seventh term is 220. Guys, did you all get it?
Yes.
Okay, we just understood what is recursive and explicit root. You should be able to write it for all sequences. Make sense?
Yes.
Can I stop here? Can I stop here? I'll just give you homework on this only one.
Yes.
Okay, guys. I'll
Okay.
see you all next week, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. See you all next week, guys. Saman, good seeing you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
Priya.
guys. Bye.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
so you know how I didn't come to the last geometry class?
Mm-hmm.
So I was trying to find the recording and I didn't know you are 1 hour behind. I mean, 1 hour behind or ahead of our time. I didn't know. So I watched the Algebra 2 recording and I took so many notes on it.
But see, whether that's related on, you have to check. I'm not able to change the name. Let me know if you didn't get it. I'll check and send.
No, I watched the geometry one too. It was because after the Algebra 2 recording, everything else seemed easy, like
Easy, I know.
schoolwork
I know.
and even the homework, because I finished the homework too.
Nice. Good to know.
Well, I
Good job.
understood transversal and I remember all of them. So yeah.
Good job,
Thank you,
lady.
Miss Priya.
Happy. Good job.
Bye.
Avyut, did you have a question for me, Avyut?
Yes, I did.
Did you have a question?
So yeah, I had a question.
What is it on the homework?
No, not on the homework, but like I just want to know the calculator model again.
Amma, I gave you, right? I'll send it to you. I'll send it to your mom in WhatsApp. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure. And then this is like a big question about CBing on geometry, but like following my career path, few of my tutoring teachers and all those people are saying to like saying that if you CB geometry, it will be like a problem because you won't get any recommendations. I just want to know the benefits too.
It should not be a problem. You can see geometry.
Okay.
You will still get nice recommendations.
Okay.
Make sense? That should not prevent you. Okay, ma'am?
Sure.
Any other
Bye.
questions? Bye.
No.
See you next week.
Bye.
I
You
sent.
too.
Bye.